Hello guys. A lot of subscribers are asking me how to extract data for the Philippine stock market. So, in this tutorial, you will learn how to do that using Python. Okay? But first, I will introduce investpy. It is a Python package developed to retrieve all the historical data from stocks, funds, and ETFs from investing.com. Okay? So, investpy supports a lot of stock markets, including the Philippines stock market. So, but first, you have to install Python. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use wait, Python 3.7.6 AMD 64 because my system is Windows 7 64-bit. Okay, so you have to install this one. Next, after you install Python, you have to install yes, investpy. Okay, so let's go. First, we have to go to our project folder. Okay, I'm gonna press left shift and right click to open the command window. Okay, let's assume you have already installed Python. So the next step is to install investpy. Okay, if you look at the documentation, we can go to the installation. Because we're going to install using the pip method, we have to install the pip install pip. Okay, you can read about the installation, which I'm not going to do here. You have to do your own work. Okay, now let's go. We want to install investpy, assuming you have installed pip 20.0.2. You only need to copy this script. Okay, let's copy this one. Copy, then paste, then press enter. I'm not gonna do that because I have already installed investpy. Next, so that we can have a GUI graphic. I don't know how to. I don't know what's its name, but it's like a GUI. It's a graphic user interface. Okay. Next, you have to install Tkinter. You can also install it using pip after you have installed pip.py. Okay, so let's assuming you already installed all of it, then let's go do the coding. Now Let's start with the GUI. Okay. This is also important. You have to put file name with underscore init underscore .py. It's just a blank file, but you have to put that in the project folder. Okay. Okay, let's start. First, I have set my setting to set the country of the stock exchange. So I put it as Philippines. Philippines. By the way, after you install the investpy, you have to update it again so that all the upgrades will be incorporated. Okay, just copy from the pip here and paste it in the command line. Okay, after install. I'm not going to do that because I have already updated my packages. Next, let's go with Python coding. Okay. So I have prepared all the code here. You can copy, paste it, all you like, but I'm going to give this script to all of you if my comments, if the total comments reach 50 comments. Okay, but I will show you the code. You can type it yourself. So here we will be importing all the packages that we need. Okay, so this line will get the current date, this day. So this program will extract data from investing.com from today up to the previous 5 years. Next, we will open the file, setting the .txt so that we will read the setting for the country or stock exchange. Let's go back to the documentation of investpy. Wait, docs. Let's go to docs, and then let's go to the stocks. Here, the owner of this script already created the syntax to get the historical data from investing.com. Okay, so here you can copy this formula and paste it into the Python script here and put all your parameters to get the data you need. Okay, so what I did is I will be giving you this script so that you can extract data from investpy.com. However, we are dependent of when the data provider will give us the updated data. Usually, for Philippine data, the updated, the last end of the day data usually comes out during 8 p.m. in the evening in Philippine time. So, forgive me. I'm a Filipino, so I'm trying my best to say it in English. This script can also get other countries' stock data. Okay? Without further ado, by the way, we need to install Tkinter so that we can have a GUI, graphical user interface. Okay, I'm gonna run this script. You can copy this script if you like, as long as you have installed all the required installation and packages. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, let's run it. I can right click this, or I can double click this file to run it. Hey, I got a program here which I can retrieve any stock data for 5 years. Any stock with 5 years data from today and prior years. Okay, let's try about house. No, for VPI. I'll just click this enter stock symbol so that I can extract the data. Okay? Okay. Yeah, just wait. Extracted VPI. Okay? If you look at my folder, I've got already a VPI CSV which I can import to Amibroker. Okay, it's already arranged date, open, high, low, close, and volume, and also the symbol. If you open Amibroker, by the way, I'm using an updated data by Amibroker will update itself immediately. But I will not share this because this is different. Okay? If I click, I think investing.com's data has not yet updated because the last RCI data is March 30 and today is March 31. Maybe later on they will update. Okay, so let's create another database, new database, so that I can show you how to import this data. Projects, where is it? Demo. I will create end of the day data. Create. Not load. Let's start out. Okay. So local database. Make it 100,000. 100,000. Okay. Let's import the data that we have extracted. This is BPI. Hello. Okay. Let's import the data into Amibroker. Okay. Import wizard. Pick files. BPI. Be sure that you have closed the file. Next. So the format of the date is year, month, date. Year, month, date. Open. High. Low. Close. Volume. And ticker. BPI. Okay. Save. Finish. I got 5 years of data for BPI. I can create another blank chart. Put the price. As you can see, the date is March 30. Going back to March 31, 2015. Okay? You can get all stock data if you know how to do it. Please study Python so that you can make more complicated programs just like this one. Again, I'm going to show you the code. If the comments reach 50, I will give this script to you. Just remember, you have to install investpy, get-pip.py, and the Tkinter. This is an example of extracting one stock. If you know Python, you can extract all the stocks in the Philippines. Okay? So, thank you and good luck.